everyone. I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ben. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Today we learn future tense. Today we're diving into the future tense.
We'll cover will, going to, present continuous, future perfect, future continuous.
First, simple future with will.
I will travel to Japan.
We use will for spontaneous decisions.
Now, going to for plans.
I am going to study tomorrow.
Present continuous can also talk about future arrangements.
I am meeting a friend at 5 p.m. Future perfect shows something completed before a future point.
I will have finished the report by Friday.
Future continuous describes an ongoing action at a future time.
I will be studying at 8 p.m.
Your turn. Say a sentence about tomorrow.
I am going to read a book tonight.
I will call you later.
Future continuous.
Great job.
Now let's hear you use the future tense in a real conversation.
Amazing examples.
Remember, will is for decisions made now, going to for plans already made.
I will have finished my homework by 6 p.m. By this time next year, I will have learned 3 languages.
By 2026, I will have finished my degree.
At 9 p.m. tomorrow, I will be teaching a class.
At midnight, I will be watching the fireworks.
Let's take on this challenge together.
By next week, I will have completed the project.
By next month, I am going to start a new course.
Excellent! You're using all the tenses.
I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ben
We will see you next time
on Speak English Daily.